Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will disclose how much I got paid from YouTube. Okay, I have like 8 videos here, so I will go ahead and show you how much I got paid from each of the videos. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. This is the first video here. As you can see, if I go through the audience, most of the views I got it from non-subscribers. Okay, as you can see, 99%. And if you have a look at the top geographies, I have United States with 19%, then South Africa, then Nigeria, India, Canada. Okay, now let's go for the reach of this video before we dive into the actual amount I got paid from the video. So as you can see, I got 907,000 impressions. Okay, and I got 104,000 views from this particular video. Okay, now let's go for the overview. We have a look and see. Okay, here is what I got paid from this video. £628. Okay, from 104,000 views, as you can see, and I got 856 subscribers from this video with 4.8k watch time. Okay, that is it for this particular video. So let's move to the next video. Here is another video. Okay, here let's start with the audience again, and let's scroll down and see what we have here. You can see that not subscribed got 99%. Okay, and when you have a look at the top geographies, you could see that United States is at the top, then India, United Kingdom, Indonesia, and Nigeria. Then let's go for the reach of this video. Okay, if you have a look here, this generated over 49,000 impressions with impressions click-through rate of 13.5, which is very good. And again, a total view of 7.7k, 7,000 views. So let's have a look at the revenue here. But before then, I think going through the overview would be better. So let me go through the overview and let's see what we have here. Okay, so have a look and see how much I got paid from this video. £26. Okay, from 7.7 thousand views, and I got 35 subscribers from this particular video. And again, if you have a look at the watch time, it's clear, 198.9 watch time hours. Okay, so now let's move to the third video. Here we go. Here, through the audience, I have almost 100% of the viewers didn't subscribe to the channel. So in that case, please, if you are watching this video, please kindly help me subscribe to the channel if you can. But most importantly, the like, please click on that like button, like the video, so that this could get to as many people as possible out there. Okay, so if you have a look at the top geographies, you could see that United States is topping as well, 20%, United Kingdom, Nigeria, Netherlands, and Australia. Then let's have a look at the reach here. Okay, when you have a look at the reach, it got over 49,000 impressions with 11.6% impressions click-through rate. Okay, with a total of 20.3k views, as you can see. So let's have a look and see how much I got paid from this video. So I will head over to the overview and have a look. Okay, so this video generated over £82 from 20.3k views, as you can see, and I got 36 subscribers from this particular video with a watch time hours of 768. Okay, so let's head over to the fourth video. Okay, so have a look and see. I will go through the audience again and see what I have here. Almost 100% of people didn't subscribe. Okay, then if you have a look at the top geographies, you could see that United States is topping as well, then India, United Kingdom, Poland, and Canada. So let's have a look at the reach here and see what we have. So if you have a look at the reach, we got 16.7k impressions with 20.1% impressions click-through rate, which is very good, and 31.5k views. So right now, let's have a look at the overview. So right here, the estimated revenue, how much I got paid from this video, is £46.83. Okay, with a total view of 31.5. Then 44 subscribers I got from this video with 412.5 watch time hours, as you can see. So let's move to the fifth video. Here is another video, how to use your mouse in place of your keyboard. We go through the audience once again, and 99.8% didn't subscribe. Top geographies, United States is topping as well. If you have a look at that, then India. Okay, so let's have a look at the reach this time around. I will go through that and see what we have. So here from the reach, you could see that we got 40.1k impressions with 16.1% impressions click-through rate, and then 22.5k views. So let's have a look at the overview. Here we got paid £35.62 and we got 34 subscribers from this video, okay, with 463.5 watch time hours. So let's move over to the sixth video. So from the audience again, let me have a look and see. Okay, 99.8% of the viewers did not subscribe. So let's have a look at the geographies, you know, the top geographies, and the United States is still topping as well. Okay, then Iraq, then United Kingdom. Okay, let's have a look at the reach. 97.1k impressions, and then impressions click-through rate of 10.8% with 18.2k views. Let's have a look at the overview and see what we have. So from 18.2k views, I got paid £32.37 with 63 subscribers from this video and 583.2 watch time hours. So let's move over to the seventh video. Here is about UK degree grade classification, first class, third class, explained. So when we have a look and see, 99% of viewers did not subscribe as well, as you can see. Then we have top geographies here. United Kingdom is topping, then Nepal and India, Portugal, Zimbabwe. Then let's have a look at the reach. Okay, here we got 83.9k impressions and 13.4% impressions click-through rate. Let's have a look at the overview. From 13.8k views, I got paid £40.75, 23 subscribers, and as well as watch time hours of 345.4. So let's head over to the last video. Okay, so from the audience, 99% did not subscribe. Then we have top geographies, India, United States, Indonesia. Then let's have a look at the overview this time around. Okay, the reach first. So we have 20k impressions, 17.2% impressions click-through rate. So let's see how much we got paid. From 9.6k views, we got paid £18.89. Then we got 20 subscribers from this video, as well as 221.1 watch time hours. So that is it for this video. Please do help me like the video. Click on that like button, subscribe to the channel if you can, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and God bless you.